Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Nishitha. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please hit that subscribe button and like button if you like this video. In today's video, I'm going to do a tag that has been going around on YouTube. It's a tag where you pick one of your favorite YouTubers and follow one of their tutorials and recreate the look they did on their channel. So that's what I'm going to do today. I pick one of Kaushal Beauty's tutorials and I'm going to recreate this look right here. She's one of my favorite YouTube bloggers ever. I think I've watched every single one of her videos. So if you don't follow her, which I think is very unlikely, you definitely should. So I'm going to leave a link to her channel in the description box down below and a link to her original video in the description box down below as well if you want to check it out. And I chose this look because I've never worn glitter in my life before. This is the first time I put glitter on my eyelids. So I really wanted to challenge myself. That's the reason I chose this look. And I'm really happy how it turned out. Obviously, it's not going to look exactly same as hers because we both have different skin tones and we both have different eye shapes. But I tried my best to recreate the looks with the products that I have. So if you guys want to know how I recreated this look, then please keep watching.
Weather. By the way, the primer that I'm using is the Sephora Colour Shadow and Liner in the shade Secret Boudoir. I'm going to set my eyelids in place using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. Okay,
so I don't have that eye primer, so I'm just going to use my Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer to prime my eyelids. So first, we're going to start off with the eyes as well. So to set the concealer in place, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder because I don't have the one that she uses, the Charlotte Tilbury one. So I looked at her products list and I think I don't have so many of the products that she uses in this video, but I'm gonna find some alternatives and make it work.
This Subculture palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Fudge.
So I don't have the Subculture palette either, so I'm going to use this shade because this seems to be the closest one to the one that she's using. This is the Jaclyn Hill's Morphe Brushes palette.
I'm going to start taking a really tiny amount of Untamed from the Subculture palette, and I'm going to start packing that colour in and really deepening that area up. And then I'm also going to do...
So the closest green that I could find in my collection is the Dream Street palette from Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collaboration. And I'm going to take the shade Water Bearer and I'm going to apply that into my inner and outer corners. And I'm using the Too Faced glitter glue as my guide here.
This colour right here, which is called Amp. Oh my god, you can see me like twice in there. Hello, that's my mirror in front of me. But I'm going to take this shade here, Amped. I actually might mix a little bit of mullet into it, maybe a mixture of both.
So I do have that Urban Decay palette. I'm going to use the two shades that she used and I'm going to put that on the center of my lid.
Use this glitter right here. It's called Peacock and it's by Lit Cosmetics. For the glue, I'm just going to take some of my Lit glitter glue. I'm just going to pack this onto the center of my eyes. And then with the same brush, I'm just going to add...
So I do have that Lit Cosmetics glitter, but I don't have their glitter glue. So I'm just going to use my Too Faced glitter glue. And I'm going to apply that on the center of my lids. Okay, I feel like the toughest part is done. I've never applied a glitter to my eyelids before, but I feel like glitter does take your eyeshadow look to the next level. I am so loving this look so far. So I don't have the Lily lashes that she's using, so I'm just going to use my Demi Wispies from Ardell. I'm going to pop them on and I'll be right back. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Perversion liner and I'm going to line my upper waterline. So I don't have the Tatcha one, so I'm just going to use my Smashbox Primer Oil.
So for foundation, I am going to use the All Hours foundation from YSL. I wore this.
Okay, so I don't have that foundation and I don't have that Wonder Glow either. So I'm just going to use my Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm going to mix in some primer oil water just to give my skin that dewy finish. Then I do have the Maybelline eye eraser, so I'm just going to use that as my concealer. So I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to set the under eyes. Okay, so then for contour, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So to bronze up the skin, I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer like she did. So I do have that blush palette, so I'm going to use the mixture of the same two shades that she used. I'm going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. So for highlight, I'm just going to use my Artist Couture highlight, and I'm going to apply that to the high points of my cheek because I don't have the L'Oreal eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24x7 Glide On pencil, and I'm going to use the green eyeshadow to blend it out like she did. So I have the Urban Decay palette as well, so I'm going to use the shade Crave to set the liner on my waterline. So I don't think I need to deepen up the outer corners because the green shadow that I used is a bit darker than what she used in her video. So I think the eye look looks pretty much similar to what she did in her video. So I think I'm just going to move on to the lips. So I do have the mahogany lip liner, so I'm just going to use that to line my lips. So I don't have the lipsticks that she used in her videos. I'm just going to go in with the NYX Soft Cream Lip Creams. This is in the shade Canes. I'm just hoping that this will look similar to what she is wearing. So to finish off the look, I do have the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So I'm just going to set my makeup in place. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this because I had so much fun filming it. I even popped on some earrings that looked similar to what she was wearing to kind of mimic her whole look. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.